It is Thermomix Thursday, and I'm really chuffed with myself because I have remembered to show up. Routine does wonders for the school holidays. I just keep forgetting that I was meant to be doing a video. So today I'm making a zingy avocado and lime dip. Just completely went out of my mind. And this is perfect. It's going to show you the power of the machine in terms of grating Parmesan cheese and then just blending herbs and other ingredients till it's smooth. Perfect to have with as a dip with veggie sticks or with corn chips, or you can serve it with meat, different types of meat. I'm going to have it for lunch and stir it through a broccoli salad. There are so many different ways. And I want to tell you, I'm going to tell you at the end, here I'm not pointing my finger, why this month is the month to get a Thermomix. We've got a double bowl offer. Like, this is normally $429 and you can get an extra bowl for $29, which is insane. So my name is Wick Nixon from Wellbeing, and I'm about empowering healthy living for women. And you're joining me for Thermomix Thursday. So, zingy avocado and lime dip. I'd already programmed it into my machine, which you can create